Trend candle, seed, drop to M30. It's a 2. Nice 2 candle pullback. Drop to 4 times lower time frame, M15. It's a 1, 2, 3. Here, still pulling back up. Not really a great signal. Entry is far away from the dash line. We want to be close to it. Here now, we have a seed with a tail, but it's a bear candle. Entry is relatively closer to the dash line. Here now, a doji signal. Entry is close to the dash line, and it's interesting. I want to see if the high was broken by the next candle. High is 114082, and high of this is 114029. Okay, that's acceptable because you'll have 1 pip, actually 1.5 pip buffer here, and then you take the trade and it goes down. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. So on the 5-minute chart, it's a deeper pullback, and that's why we have these lines. So we have the move down here. Then there's this break and retest again, but in this case took too many candles. So as price goes inside, we start to lose the signals because this line is now not pointing down. So for that, we will stay on the 15-minute chart because we know on the hourly chart that this formation is being challenged, right? This formation is changing because there was a very strong move down here, and this could come back and continue. So on the 15-minute chart we have that.